So about a month ago, I took delivery of my Tesla Model 3, also known as Dracarys. If you haven't seen that video, make sure to check that out, and I mentioned in that video that I had major plans for this car. And about a few days ago, it finally happened. So weeks before I took delivery of my Model 3, I was talking to the robots at Dbrand, and we essentially came up with a super crazy idea of wrapping my Model 3 with a Dbrand skin. Dbrand, which if you're not already familiar with, is a channel sponsor of mine. I've worked with Dbrand on various social platforms and have been supporting me for quite a while now. So if you've seen my iPad Pro videos with the white marble skin and what's in my bag video, and various other tech videos that I've done in the past, you should be familiar with them. My phone's always been skinned by Dbrand, even my PS4 and Nintendo Switch are skinned with Dbrand, so it just made sense to partner up with the robots and skin the biggest tech item I own at the moment, the Tesla Model 3. Now, putting a skin on a phone or an iPad is super simple, obviously, and they're a lot smaller. I don't know anything about wrapping an entire car, so I hit up my friends at Templar Wraps here in Orange County, California.
Hey, my name is Dbrand. I'm the owner of Templar Wraps here. Mark called us. He said he had a Model 3, needed to be wrapped. He came to the right place. We're Orange County's premier Tesla restyling facility. Between wraps, chrome deletes, brake calipers, window tint or powder coat, we got all the Teslas covered.
So what I wanted to do with a car is to obviously pick out from Dbrand's collection of skins. I went with the matte black because I wanted that stealthy look, and in typical Hey Mark L fashion, I added some orange accents to it. Now if you've been a follower of mine for a while, you already know exactly what that means. That means black and orange is the color scheme to follow. So the entire car is wrapped in matte black, the dual motor badge in the back is now orange, all the Tesla T logos are now orange as well, and on the inside, the piano black console that's super fingerprinty has now been wrapped in black matrix, which is something a little different than what you'll usually see from other Model 3s. And it's also the same skin you can find on Dbrand's catalog. The door handles are also wrapped in matte black to add to that super stealthy look, and the chrome trims around the windows and mirrors are now wrapped in gloss black to give it that nice contrast between the matte black wrap. The wheels, I really like the stock Aero wheels. Maybe in the future I'll change them out, but for now I really like how this looks. Again, special thanks to Templar Wraps and Dbrand for helping me make this crazy idea a reality. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, and now please enjoy this 30-second montage.
Why do we keep cutting each other off?
Why do we keep cutting each other off? We are now islands. The gap between us widens the dense silence. We left, cause we like it like that. The echoes in our bones, muted colors, broken songs. Passive aggressive, always, cause we like it like that.
Looking at you, looking at me. Words are fading away so easily. Oh, looking at you, looking at me. Whoa.